Hello guys, welcome to CV Learning's channel. Today we are going to see what is the process of an interview. Before moving into the process, let's see what are the different types of companies. Mainly there are two types of companies in the software industry. The first one is product based companies. These are the companies that will develop a product or an application and releases them into the market before the client approaches them. And the second one is service based companies. These are the companies that will start working only when the client approaches them with specific requirements. This is about the different types of companies, and also we know that every company will have its own form of recruitment process. One company may conduct 3 rounds and another company may conduct 4 rounds. It's entirely depend upon the company, but there are a very few rounds that are commonly conducted by most of the companies as a part of this recruitment process, and there are three such rounds. The first one is written test round, and the second one is technical interview round, and the third one is HR interview round. Now we will see about each round in a detailed way. Now coming to the first round, that is written test round. There is no prescribed format for this round, and every company will have its own format. Before conducting this round, the company will definitely share you the format of this round through email or through your college placement cell team. So don't worry about that. But there are a very few topics that are covered by most of the companies as part of this round. And now we will see what are those topics. The first one is aptitude type of questions, and the second one is programming type questions. In this type of questions, they will provide you a code snippet and they will ask you to mark the correct output for each code snippet. And the third one is coding question. The main motive in order to include this question in this round is to check your problem solving skills, whether you are able to solve the given problem within the given time or not. This question will have more weightage for qualifying this written test round. So I would suggest you to have a lots of practice on more number of coding questions in order to qualify this round. And now coming to the second round, that is technical interview round. This is the round where you have to face the interviewer directly. So be confident and don't get tensed. The interviewer will start the round by asking you to introduce yourself. So be confident while introducing yourself, and it would be better if you practice at least once before the day of interview. And after self-introduction, the interviewer will ask the questions on your core subjects, programming languages, and technical skills that you have mentioned in your resume. And after this, the interviewer will be asking the questions on your projects that you have mentioned in your resume. For example, if you have mentioned machine learning project in your resume, then definitely there will be at least 1 or 2 questions on the machine learning topic. So be confident on the projects that you have mentioned in your resume so that you can answer all those questions. And this is about the second round. And now we will move into the final round, and that is HR round. This is the round where your personality skills, cognitive skills, and thinking skills will be observed. And also the interviewer will observe your communication skills and how much you are confident while speaking. In order to hire a person, definitely the practical knowledge will play an important role along with your technical knowledge. So the interviewer will ask a few questions on your projects that you have mentioned in your resume. And the questions can be like this: what is the role played by you during this project, and what are the different problems that you have faced during this project, and how do you solve those problems? The most important thing that I would like to say is be confident while answering all the questions in both of the rounds, so that it will help you in qualifying both the rounds and get placed in that particular company. And this is the entire interview process, and I hope this video will be very helpful in knowing the hiring process in a better way. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.